I'm Kyle Tierney. I'm the director of Stone Tech Service. I've been with the company 19 years. I will be talking about coatings versus systems within flooring. Floor coatings and systems can have many similarities, but mainly the difference is the thickness of the system. Floor coatings installations typically consist of a primer and 1 or 2 coatings for a total thickness of 15 to 20 mils. A flooring system will consistently use a broadcast system or a mortar-based system for a total thickness of 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. Floor coatings are often used in low abuse or low traffic situations. They are also used when the cost of the project is a concern. If the decision is based on the cost alone, the performance of the floor system or coating must be considered. Yes, floor coating is not recommended for areas where the substrate is not in good condition. The floor coating will not hide the imperfections in the substrate, and you'll see that in the finished flooring. It is also not recommended in areas where there's high abuse or high traffic. In situations where there's high traffic, such as forklift traffic, you can wear down through the coating back down to the substrate. In areas where there's high impact, you can see chipping down to the substrate or chipping in the coating. Light-duty warehousing, manufacturing areas, or walkways, or other similar areas are acceptable for floor coatings. The difference is the thickness the material is applied. In coatings only, the material is typically squeegeed and back rolled or dip and rolled with the appropriate tools. In flooring systems, they're applied with notch squeegees, rakes, or screed boxes, and then rolled or troweled with a steel trowel to finish the material. No, the cleaning of the floors would be the same. StonTalks recommends cleaning the floors using a neutral cleaner with soft white nylon scrub brushes. The lifespan of the systems can vary depending on the use and abuse within the space. Coatings only typically require a recoat sooner than a flooring system would. No, both types of systems can be adjusted for color and finish, and also the chemistry can be selected based on the use of the space. The customer needs to provide details of the space so the proper flooring can be selected. These details are: what is the substrate condition? What is the traffic in the space? What kind of abuse is there? Any thermal shock or thermal swings in the area? What chemicals or cleaning agents are being used? This information will include chemicals, concentrations, temperatures, and exposure time.